There are a million recipes for optimizing sites for rankings, but I'm pretty sure that most SEOs would agree that link building is a core component in every single one of them. Why so? High-quality backlinks continue to be one of the strongest ranking factors for search engines. However, backlinks can be of different kinds. Hi, it's Mary from SEO Power Suite, the all-in-one toolkit that covers every aspect of SEO. Today, I will navigate you through the all types of backlinks and explain why they are so crucial for your SEO. Backlinks or incoming links are links to your pages from other websites that signal relevance and quality to Google. The more backlinks a page has, the higher its chances of appearing on the first page of search results. Backlinks from reputable sites serve as endorsements, showing to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. They can drive traffic to your site from other websites. When users click on a backlink, they are directed to your site, increasing your audience and potential customer base. Another reason why you should think of creating a strong backlink profile is that it gives you an edge over competitors. If your competitors have fewer or lower quality backlinks, your site is more likely to rank higher. And finally, building backlinks often involves reaching out to other websites and creating relationships, which can often lead to further collaborations and exposure. Now, backlinks can be do follow and no follow. What's the difference? A no-follow link is a link that has a rel no-follow tag attribute, which tells Google not to follow the link and not to pass any PageRank value to the recipient page. Do-follow links are normal links that are followed by Googlebot and pass PageRank. They have no special rel attributes and are considered in SEO when it comes to link building. In SEO, there are many backlinks that are different in value and acquisition. Let's dig deeper. Editorial backlinks are the organic inbound links that are not traded for, asked for, or paid for. These backlinks are given by publishers and authors because they think that your content is valuable and relevant to their own audience. Editorial backlinks carry the most SEO value and are the hardest to get. Guest post backlinks are required by offering valuable content such as articles or blog posts to external websites, which in turn provide a link back to your own website. These backlinks are typically placed within the main content section of the guest post. Backlinks from niche or local directories are links to your site that are obtained by listing your site in specialized online directories. These directories focus on special industries, interests, or geographic locations. Backlinks in social media posts are links that direct users from social media platforms to your site. These links can be included in various types of social media content such as posts, tweets, or updates. Backlinks in business profiles are links to your website that are included in the profiles you create on various business-related platforms and directories. These platforms can include social media sites like LinkedIn or business listing directories like Google Business Profile or Yelp. Backlinks in comments are links to your site that you include in the comment section of blogs, forums, or other online discussion platforms. These links are usually placed by you or your representatives as part of a strategy to drive traffic to your site. Backlinks in press releases are links to your website that are included within the content of a press release. They are valuable because they come from reputable news sources and can reach a wide audience, potentially attracting media attention and boosting your online presence. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy optimizing. Goodbye.